वज़ीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी KTR अमारा ने अमारा राजा बैटरी लैब के संग बुनियाद की तकरीब में शिरकत की। इस मौके पर खिताब करते हुए उन्होंने बताया कि तेलंगाना जहां वैक्सीन कैपिटल बनकर उभर रहा है, तो दूसरी तरफ वो मुल्क का सबसे बड़ा टी हब भी कायम कर चुका है। मुल्क को दुनिया भर की कंपनियों का क़याम यहाँ अमल में लाया जा रहा है, जिसके ज़रिए तेलंगाना के नौजवानों को मुलाजिमतें हासिल हो रही हैं।
Cell supply chain ecosystem is crucial for achieving the country's transition to electric mobility. I believe that sustainable mobility and shared mobility is the future of India, and therefore Amara Raja, I believe, has made the right choice in ensuring that you are investing in a future-ready ecosystem. Amara Raja is paving the way and will play a pivotal role in fostering research and innovation in the sector. This vital center shall play a key role, I hope, in providing access to testing and prototyping facilities to all the stakeholders in the ecosystem and supply chain. Telangana is leading the way in driving India's innovation growth story. The state's network of institutions, innovation institutions comprising of T-Works, which is India's largest prototyping facility, T-Hub, which is the world's largest tech incubator, RICH, the Research and Innovation Circle of Hyderabad, which tries to bring about a collaboration between the academia and the research institutions and the industry, TASK, which is Telangana Academy for Skills and Knowledge, which is ensuring that skilled workforce is readily available for anybody who wants to industrialize in Telangana, TSIC, the Telangana State Innovation Cell, which focuses on capturing young talent at a very early stage, and most importantly, VHub, which nurtures women entrepreneurs. All of these institutions together, which have been propelled and enabled by the government, are leading the innovation ecosystem in Telangana and Hyderabad. Today, Hyderabad has emerged as a preferred destination for setting up research and development, design and engineering facilities. I believe this center that is being done today, evolved by Amara Raja's Research and Innovation Center, would further enrich our dynamic innovation ecosystem. India's demand for ACC batteries is projected to be 260 gigawatt hours